Scientists opened a comprehensive gene map of Ireland, demonstration, thin DNA differences how may represent historical events. In his specimen of the Irish people, the researchers identified 10 gene groupings, clusters, how approximately glass-old boundaries. The results as well propose the Varangian had a more effect on the Irish gene expression swimming pool rather than previous imaginary. A crew of Irish, UK and US researchers analyzed information of 194 Irish individuals in 4 persons' generations of origin connected to particular regions on the Isle. The permitted the scientists to job out the people pattern how existed preliminary to the enlarged motion of human beings in latter many decades. He's probable how these Bronzed Age human beings as well tell Celt languages, although we cannot aware the for certainly. The newest document key points more than latter people shaping events in Irish story. The locations of the 10 clusters identified in the Irish people seemed to represent each the national borders of the 4 persons Irish provinces, Ulster, Leinster, Munster, and Connaught, or historic kingdoms. For sample, the researchers found how Munster separated in northern and southern gene clusters. These seem to correspond in the boundaries of the Dalcays and the Eoganacht, competing kingdoms set in medieval times. But it might as well be affecting by geographical, particularly the mountains that cut up the scenery in the area. Same probability is how he's a conjunction of these real, a slight bit of geographical combination in wars or competition generates kindred in every clear region. And he's such thin features how we're capable to remove present, told Dr. Cavallari. Of the 10 clusters, 7 were found to be of Gaelic Irish descent and 3 of blended Irish and UK origin. All of the blended clusters were arranged in Northern Ireland. The geographic position of these 3 groupings, in estimates of while the people mix occurred, the 17th to 18th centuries, led the researchers to supposition how the was associated to the Ulster estate while British and Scotch Protestants populated in Ireland. The detect of Norse-like origin in Irish samples of production perhaps reflects migrations for the Viking epoch. Time the part is comparatively little, a maximal of 20%, compared to the home Irish backdrop. The researchers were amazed to discover it at high levels in the Irish rather than in the Welsh and British, although at reduced levels rather than such found in the Orkneys, in his conventional bonds to Scandinavia. Yet, Dr. Cavallari told it was probable the top levels of Norse origin in the Irish might be cursed if significant amounts of Irish DNA had found its way to Norway above period, maybe human beings the Varangian driven behind, he speculated. That could include the impact of reduction gene differences among the 2 populations and manufacturing it appear as if the sum of Viking origin in Ireland is more rather than it is.